Understanding the role of a salutatorian. Hello and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the term salutatorian. This word might sound a bit formal, but by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also be able to use it in context. So, let's dive in. The term salutatorian refers to an academic title given in the United States, Canada, and other countries. It is an honor bestowed upon the second highest graduate of the entire graduating class of an educational institution. This title is a recognition of the students' hard work, dedication, and academic achievements throughout their educational journey. The word salutatorian comes from the Latin word salutatorius, which means pertaining to visiting or greeting. This is because the salutatorian traditionally gives the opening remarks or welcoming speech at the graduation ceremony, known as the salutatory address. Apart from giving the salutatory address, the salutatorian may have other responsibilities. These can include representing the student body at events, participating in academic competitions, and sometimes being a liaison between students and faculty. It's important not to confuse the salutatorian with the valedictorian. While the salutatorian is the second highest ranking student, the valedictorian holds the top spot. The valedictorian delivers the closing speech at the graduation ceremony, known as the valedictory address. Congratulations! You now know what a salutatorian is and the significance of this academic title. It's a great term to know, especially if you're discussing education-related topics. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll join us for more English learning content. Until next time, keep learning and keep excelling.